Creating a life plan involves envisioning your ideal future, setting clear goals, and organizing your actions to achieve them. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Reflect on your current life. Evaluate your present. Write down what you like and dislike about your current life, career, health, relationships, finances, etc. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Recognize areas where you're thriving and areas needing improvement. 2. Define your vision. Envision the future. Imagine your ideal life in 5, 10, or 20 years. What kind of person do you want to be? Where do you want to live? What do you want to have accomplished? Prioritize areas of life. Consider these key areas. O. Personal development, skills, education, and personal growth. O. Career/business, your professional goals or entrepreneurial ambitions. O. Health, physical and mental well-being. O. Finances, financial independence, investments, or savings. O. Relationships, family, friendships, and social connections. O. Lifestyle, hobbies, travel, and day-to-day living. 3. Set SMART goals. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthy, say, I will lose 10 kilograms in 6 months by exercising 4 days a week and eating balanced meals. 4. Break down the goals. Short-term goals, 1 to 3 months, small, actionable steps that lead to your long-term vision. Mid-term goals, 6 months, 2 years, broader steps toward progress. Long-term goals, 3 to 10 years, major milestones. 5. Create a roadmap. Write down actionable tasks for each goal. Assign deadlines and track progress regularly. 6. Develop good habits. Replace habits that don't serve you with productive ones, e.g., reading instead of binge-watching. Stay consistent with habits that align with your life plan. 7. Stay flexible. Life plans need adjustments. Reassess your goals periodically and adapt as needed. 8. Track progress and celebrate wins. Regularly review your plan, e.g., monthly or quarterly. Celebrate achievements to stay motivated. 9. Surround yourself with support. Find mentors, friends, or family members who align with your goals and values. Join communities that inspire growth. 10. Document your plan. Write your plan in a journal, a digital planner, or apps like Notion or Evernote. This will make it tangible and easier to review. Sample outline of a life plan. Vision, 10-year. Career, Vice President at a multinational company. Finances, own 2 investment properties, debt-free. Relationships, strong bonds with family, married with 2 kids. Health, run a marathon, maintain a balanced diet. Lifestyle, travel to 5 new countries, dedicate weekends to hobbies. Goals, 1 year. Personal, read 12 books on leadership. Career, complete a professional certification. Health, exercise 4 times a week. Finances, save 10% of income monthly.